Hello everyone. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the third method of charging, that is charging by conduction. Now when I say conduction, I mean the two bodies, one charged, another one uncharged, okay, both would be touching each other literally. That is, let's write that first. The third method, charging by conduction. Charging by conduction. So when I say charging by conduction, suppose there are two bodies A and B. Okay, suppose there are two bodies A and B. A is suppose positively charged. A is suppose positively charged, and B is neutral. B is neutral. Okay. So now when these two are brought in contact with each other physically, that is A and B, like this, as you can see. Okay. So over here, the positive charge of the body A will be transferred, some of the positive charge, not all, okay, not all. So now when we separate these two, the third stage you can see I hope you understood, right? So previously body A was positively charged, body B neutral, right, uncharged. So when they are brought in physical contact with each other, they share the charge. After sharing the charge, if we separate them, they become permanently charged. I mean the body B is permanently charged. I hope you understood that, right? So let us do this again, okay, with the opposite charge, that is negative charge. Suppose body A is negatively charged, okay, and body B neutral, body B neutral. Now when I bring these two bodies in contact with each other, A and B, so they share the charge, isn't it? They share the charge. After I separate them, body B is now permanently charged. Body B is now permanently charged with negative charge, as you can see. So the thing is, there is one more important thing to note, that is, suppose body A in both the case plus Q minus Q, suppose, okay, plus Q and minus Q. Plus Q is the total charge carried by body A and minus Q is the total charge carried by body A in two cases. This is the first case and this is the second case. So if the bodies are brought in contact with each other, they share the charge, but by what amount? By what amount? So this will be Q by 2 plus Q by 2, this would be plus Q by 2. They share equally. They keep on sharing until they have equal amount of charges. I hope you understood that. So over here also they will have equal amount of charge, minus Q by 2 minus Q by 2. I hope you understood that, right? Now let us see one picture so that you will have a better understanding. Now as you can see the picture over here, there are two objects over here, okay. So this let them be A and B, okay. Let us name them. So object A and B, they are not in contact with each other now, they are not in physical contact. Now suppose object A is positively charged, okay, object A is positively charged, suppose, clear, object A is positively charged, as you can see, okay, object A is positively charged, and B is neutral, B is neutral over here, okay. B is neutral. Now A is brought and touched with B, as you can see they are touching each other now. So the charge sharing would be there, okay, charge would be shared by both. Whatever the charge used to be there, whatever the charge used to be there with A, it will be shared by B also now, okay. So now when they shared it, the final stage, if I separate them after touching, after giving some time, okay, after holding them together for some time, and then I separate them, then suppose body A before touching body B, body A had charge plus Q, okay. Now I made them touch each other physically, okay. So in that case, after separating, after giving some time, after separating, A will be having plus Q by 2 and B will be having plus Q by 2, right. So This was the method of charging, that is charging by conduction. So as you can see the question over here, objects A, B and C are three identical insulated spherical conductors. Okay. Originally A and B have charges plus 3 millicoulomb, whereas C has a charge of minus 6 microcoulomb, millicoulomb. Objects A and C are touched and move apart. Objects B and C are touched before they are moved apart. So now let's see what is the question trying to say. A and B, so object A, sphere A, okay, spherical conductors A, B and C. So A and B have charges plus 3 millicoulomb, plus 3 millicoulomb, plus 3 millicoulomb. A and B have charges plus 3 millicoulomb, where C has a charge of minus 6 millicoulomb. Okay. Now objects A and C are touched and move apart. Objects B and C are touched before they are move apart. So let's see. A and C are touched. A and C are touched. So if A and C are touched, what is the total charge? Plus 3 millicoulomb plus, minus plus of minus 6 millicoulomb. So what do we have? Minus 3 millicoulomb, isn't it? Now minus 3 millicoulomb is the total charge. Now again they are separated. So when they separated, this charge will be divided into 2. So now A will have minus 3 by 2 millicoulomb and C will have minus 3 by 2 millicoulomb. Okay. Okay. Now again object B and C are touched before they are moved apart. Now B and C, B has plus 3 millicoulomb and C has minus 3 by 2 millicoulomb. They are touched. So when they are touched, what happens? Plus 3 millicoulomb minus 3 by 2 millicoulomb. What is it? 6 minus 3 by 2. Plus 3 by 2 millicoulomb. This is the total charge. So when they are separated again, this charge must be divided into 2 parts, that is plus 3 by 4. So our B will have now plus 3 by 4 millicoulomb and C will have plus 3 by 4 millicoulomb, isn't it? So I hope you got that. So now what can we write? A has minus 3 by 2 millicoulomb and B has plus 3 by 4 millicoulomb, okay, and C has plus 3 by 4 millicoulomb, right? Okay. Now let's see the questions. Question 1. If object A and B are now held near each other, they will attract, repel, have no effect on each other. A and B, as you can see, they are negative and positive. Of course, charge is different, minus 3 by 2 and plus 3 by 4, but they are opposite in nature. So they will attract. So for option of question number 1, option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct. Now question number 2. Now if objects A and C are held near each other, they will A and C, as you can see, they are again opposite in nature, negative minus 3 by 2 and positive plus 3 by 4. So they will attract, that is option A. I hope that is clear to you, right? So that was all about our methods of charging part 3, that is methods of charging by conduction. I hope you understood. Thank you.